Welcome students. In this video I'm gonna show you a proof for an epsilon delta proof for the limit of a constant. Epsilon delta proof of a constant function. So f of x is equal to c, a constant. Then we wanna show lim as x approaches a of f of x is equal to lim as x approaches a of constant c is equal to c. Okay, so the proof. Since f of x is equal to c, f of x minus c absolute value is equal to c minus c, which is 0. This is true for any small epsilon greater than 0. Therefore, if x minus c therefore if absolute value x minus c greater than 0 and less than 0, then the condition of the limit is satisfied. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.